Hi everyone, just want to do a quick review on this car window sunshade I bought for our daughter. Um, we had a problem with the sun coming through because the factory tint is just not dark enough at all, and the sun just penetrates through in her face. And yeah, she's has a fit, of course. So this thing is perfect for us. It fits the whole window, which is great. Has 7 suction cups, so it's tight, not going anywhere, doesn't sag. I like that it has these pockets right here, 3 pockets. I just put her glasses for right now, something that's easy accessible. The print is great. She loves it. She's constantly telling me the colors and the dogs, so she likes looking at it. It's 99% blocks UV in heat rays, and I believe it because no sun penetrates through. It's a perfect thing. I recommend if you're looking for something to get this. Also made very good and thick. It has 3 layers of cloth, so like I said, no sun comes through. And yeah, I think it's a perfect fit for our car, and I think I'm actually going to order another one for the other side, but for some reason it seems like the sun just penetrates through this side more. So yeah, I'm excited. My daughter loves it, and it's perfect for my car. Thank you.